This one, you need a bowl of water. There is water in there, you may not be able to see it. Some soap and some pepper. Dump the pepper in, and you have dinner for little Timmy if you make $2.99 an hour. Little Timmy doesn't want pepper in the center of his bowl of water because it'll ruin his cuisine. Put a little bit of soap on your finger, and all you do is you take the soap, you go boom. Wow, I am such a science whiz. So for this one, all you need is your hand, like this. Move all your fingers. Then what you do is you take your middle finger, fold it all the way underneath, and you try it again. And it's impossible to move this finger now for some reason. Pretty neat. All right, so this is one of the ones that you can actually make some dough, some cash on. You ask them to try and get the coin out from underneath the match without making the match fall over. They try, obviously the match will fall over. You get another match, you light it, and you light this match just in the middle, so on the wood. And what happens is the end lifts up, you blow it out, and you take the coin. All right, so for this one, you're gonna need obviously a plate. I don't know why that's always obvious, I keep saying that, but you're gonna need a plate, a glass, a quarter, like that, some matches. So what I've done here, I taped a dime to the bottom of 3 matches, which I taped together. That's just so it can stand up straight. You can use a piece of gum, you can use anything that will allow these matches to stand up straight. So what you need to do first is you need to get the plate, obviously. I said it again, why is it obvious? You then take the quarter, put the quarter on the plate, and you put just enough water just so it covers the top of the coin. Just until the coin is submerged in the water. But for the sake of you guys being able to see this, I'm gonna put some purple food coloring. I believe it's purple, might be blue actually. Whatever, I'm gonna put some food coloring in this water so you can actually see what happens. Then you're gonna take your matches, drop them right there. Then you're gonna light that, and right when you light it, you're actually gonna put the cup right over top, and you'll see what happens. You light it. Right when the 3 matches light, you put the glass over, and the water gets sucked up in the glass, and you take your coin. So for this one, it's actually, again, it's pretty easy. You probably learned this in science class. If you didn't, then you probably skipped that day because I'm pretty sure it's part of the curriculum. Friggin' kid. You're gonna light a match in the candle. So you have that lit. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna blow out the candle, and you're gonna light the smoke, and it's gonna relight the candle without actually touching the wick. That one's kind of lame, sorry guys. All right, so for this one you need a card and you need a coin. Take your finger, balance the card right on your finger, so obviously it's probably in the center of the card. Then you take your coin and you balance that on top, which will be on top of your finger, and you just flick the card underneath, then your coin will stay on your finger. Like that. You're gonna need 2 pencils, maybe 2 pens, anything with a flat top and that you can put pressure on. You can go like this for a solid 10 seconds. Push as hard as you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when you pull apart, it's gonna feel like there's a kind of like a magnetic tension. So when you pull apart slowly and go back, it's gonna feel like they're magnetic for a couple seconds. Okay, that last one was fake.